Hi everyone. Today I am going to explain about how to install MongoDB on your local machine. First, you need to download the MongoDB. So go to this particular URL, MongoDB try download. So after then you can select here which is the latest version of MongoDB, and you can select here which platform, Windows or Linux. Okay, you can select here platform. You can select here package MSI only. We are selecting zip also. So if you are selecting MSI, after then click on download. So this will be downloaded automatically. So, okay, but I already downloaded this MongoDB. So after then I am installing this MongoDB. Okay, it is. Click on next. Click on next. So here you can select as a complete installation. So it is default, it will take install MongoDB as a service. So if you want to change service name here MongoDB, so if you want to change these directories, you can change. So the logs will be saved here and data will be saved this part. Okay, after then you can click on next. Install MongoDB compose also, but I already installed in my local. Okay, click on next, click on install. So wait some time, it will take some time to install the MongoDB. Click on yes. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on yes. Here see copying new files. Wait some time. Wait some time. Yeah, once installed MongoDB, then also you need to install MongoDB compose. Okay, in my local machine already installed. So after then you can click on new connection. Okay, here new connection. This is the default URI for the MongoDB localhost. So for example, if you want to connect any server like 192.168. something, so you need to give that server IP address. Okay, for as of now, it is my local. So default it is taking as a local host 27017. If you want to the advanced connection options, just here you can select as a MongoDB. If you have any authentication username password, you can declare here username, and we can connect through LDAP also. So this is also we need to provide LDAP username and password. If you have any security certificate, we need to upload here security certification also. Then click on connect. It will be connected to automatically any higher environment levels. But as of now, we are using our local machine. No need to declare those all. Okay, once MongoDB has installed, we can connect to the our local. Wait some time. It is taking some time to installing.